Hey everyone, here is my new crafting space. It's a little den off of the kitchen, like there's the pantry door, and we have all of our totes and boxes here. I'm using my, it's like a crapper hopper rolling tote that a plastic tote goes in that has paper in it. And I'm using it right now just as a farrier from the guest room to my craft room for unloading. But I had two of these carts. If you watched my videos before, I think I've shown you these, but I had two of them, and one of them I've already unpacked, and I'll show you where that is. But this room is not huge. It's, I think, 8 foot this way. So from this wall where the chair is over to where the rack is 8 foot. And then from this corner past the window and over here is 11 foot. So it's not a big space. And I had, the movers asked where I wanted my desk, and I didn't really care. So they set it up over here. And then I have my brass cart. And this is a thing that my husband built for me. They kind of broke it a little bit. But it goes down into the top of this. And then my Cricut can sit, sorry, I'm out of camera. So it goes down right on the top of this cart, and then my Cricut can go on top. And I'm not sure if I'm going to use it for that. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I have another of these Alex drawers. So I think I'm going to do 2 Alex drawers, my tabletop, an Alex drawer on this side of the desk with my Cricut on top. But this isn't going to be on this side of the wall. I don't know if you can tell, but the door is not centered into the space. So this is the bigger area. I'm going to try to not have all the light. And this is the smaller area. So I think I'm going to have my desk on this side with my chair, because then I can see more of what's going on outside. So I'm going to pop over into the hall closet where I am going to have most of my stuff, I think. And then I'll also show you the guest room where they've packed in all of my studio supplies. So as you walk in the front door of this house, to the left, there are these 2 closet sections. And this one, ta-da, is going to be my storage space for my stuff. So down there, I have all of my stamps. And we have a Makers with Heart video coming up for July, and it's our favorite products. And I was thinking about all the things that I love, and I really have to think that stamps are my #1. So those are my stamps. And then I'm going to organize this somewhat. I kind of like that all of these units sit up there nicely. Right now, I have photos in these boxes, and there's another one somewhere. But I noticed that this box was empty. So I might move my photos into that, and then I have some other things. And if you know me at all, you will notice that I will be organized. Like all of my bins have the names written on of what is inside of them, so I can pull them. Originally, we were going to put different shelving in here, but this shelving was here, and it's going to work. I'm going to make it work. This is one of my other carts that tote fits in, but the wheels are off of it. We just ordered new wheels that our husband approved for riding on our hardwood floor. And we did take the bottom shelf out. I don't know if you can see. So there was another shelf down here, but we took it out. So my carts will roll underneath. I can put my stamps on the bottom. And then there's actually enough room with those out that I can also roll in some other like traveling totes. So now we're gonna go down the hall here to what's going to be the guest bedroom, but currently is storage for the studio. There's that rack in the laundry room. I'm not gonna turn on the lights because it's a mess in there. But so now we're coming into the guest bedroom, and you can see all of these boxes. This is also paper and processing central in here. So we kind of smooth out our packing paper. And this is my 13-year-old's idea of getting prepared to do that, and put it in bundles of 25 so that we can bless like Goodwill, or if there's somebody else in the area that has need of that, we kind of put it out there, and it gets reused before it's recycled. So all of these boxes our studio stuff. My husband said I can't tease him about his one box of stuff because he said he only ever had one box of stuff and all the rest of it was mine. And he now has proof. He took a photo of all of the boxes that say Amanda's one box of stuff. Like in here, I have this rolling tote, and it's the real old Close to My Heart rolling tote, but it's a workhorse. So it has like my cut above kits and then other workshops that I can do because life gets in the way. And so just if you didn't think I had enough with that, this closet, see there's the 2 totes that go into those containers, and those currently have my cardstock so that I would have access to it. And then this is one of those pop-ups. So this has cardstock, one has cardstock, and the other has more paper packs. So I have a little bit of work to do. I did get some bedding out so that it has a home. And I have this lovely, I should share, our Joann's, when we were in Michigan, not California, went out of business, and I snagged that rack from them. Oh no, that wasn't from them. Excuse me, I did another rack from them. That was at a garage sale for $10. Can you believe it? So I have that, and I have a little bit of mess here, but I thought I would give you guys a sneak peek of what I'm doing because right now I don't have any content coming out. Hope you're having a great day. Blessings.